So now we are going to proceed with the inverse trigonometric functions. No, manaman ta ka ganina sa mga trigonometric functions. So let u be a differentiable function of x and let a be greater than 0. So, and these are the mga formulas, no, or general solutions of the inverse trigonometric integral of inverse trigonometric function. So, dili na nato ni siya isa-isahon since kung unsa ray ma-apply, kung unsa ra nin diri mo ra tong gamito, no, dapat gani pang memorize ni sila. Pero okay lang nga familiarize. So, kini siya. So we have also in the form of rational na numbers, no. So kini ang ato ang dumdumuno gayo. Kini ran usahay ra man nato matambuan kini mga integral of inverse sine. Pero kasagaray ngun ani ang ato ang matagbuan kini du over square root of a squared minus u squared. Kining nakainganin na form balik. So integral of du over square root of a squared minus u squared. So the integral of that one is arc sine u over a plus c. So kung napod kay integral of du nga wala siya rational na expression to a squared d over a squared plus u squared, diretso na siya 1 over a arc tan u over a. So kini lang siya nga form plus c. So kung napod kay integral of du over u squared times square root of u squared minus a squared, it is equal to 1 over a arc second quantity absolute value of u over a plus c. So kini lang atong dumdumon. Kung makatagbot tag ingon ani nga forma bali, no, sa ato ang integrand, mag-eliminate na lang ka. So kung square root lang siya, either arc sine siya or arc sec, no? Pero kung wala gani siya nasa gawas na variable, so sure na ka nga arc sine siya. So kung wala siya rational na expression, wala siya square root, so arc tan. So kung naapod siya u squared or kung na siya variable or function sa iyang kilid sa iyang square root or sa iyang rational na expression, so arc second siya. So, ingon ana lang ang inyong pamaginamoy elimination. Bali, mabala na ninyo whether kung unsa siya, no? So, for the hyperbolic functions, almost as inverse ra magyapon ni siya adto iyang mga derivative. Okay, so ako lang ni siyang ibutang diri para masulat ninyo siya sa inyong power notes. Importante ni nga mga general solutions sa hyperbolic functions. So for the inverse hyperbolic, so those are the general solutions for the inverse trigonometric, hyperbolic, and the inverse hyperbolic functions. So write this in your power notes or sa inyong notebook, no? Kanang notebook sa niya, tarong basing sketch paper, pwede nyo ibutang, so masayang inyong effort. So now, we have 6 examples for these transcendental functions. So we have the example number 7, evaluate the integral of x cos x squared dx. So we are still using the substitution method for easier, para mas dali na to siya masira. So we let u be equal to x squared, then du is now equal to, kung i-derive natin is equal to 2x dx, or 1/2 du is equal to x dx. So, integral of x cos x squared dx is now equal to, kung nag-let u matagay na, so cos u times 1/2 du. So, pagtanaw pa lang natin sa cos u, Dumdum na to ana, may siya ikuana, na may siya equivalent na general solution. So, dali na lang ato ang pag-answer. No? So, i-rewrite na to siya. It will now become 1/2 integral of cos u du. So, pag tanaw na to kang cos u, integral of cos u du, na siya corresponding na solution, which is na sa set. So, na siya ikapatago ng set plus. So, which is equal to 1/2 cos u, the integral of cos u du is sin h u plus c. Okay, so times 1/2, where u is x squared, so we have 1/2 sin h x squared plus c. Okay, so iko na nato i-substitute, balik si u which is x squared, so we have the final answer 1/2 sin h x squared plus c. So for our example number 8, still on the hyperbolic na function, so integral of sin h cubed x cos x dx. So for the solution, we let u be equal to sin hx, and du, or the derivative of sin hx, is cos x dx. So cos x dx. So now the integral of sin h cube x cos x dx is integral of u cube du. Right? Kaya ang atong gilet u is sin hx man. So ang du pag yun nato is kini si cos x dx. So now we have in the form that we can easily use the power rule for integration. So we have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. So u to the power of 4 over 4 plus c, where u is sin h x. So our final answer is sin h to the 4th power x over 4 plus c. So now that is our final answer. So for example number 9, example number 9, integral of 1 over square root of 4x squared minus 1 dx. So, saan man ni? Diba na kaya to ang mga example? So, for our solution, let u be equal to 2x. So, 2x. Kung naka 2x, kung kini siya, diba, ato ning down, may ni siya 2x squared, diba? 2x squared. So, magamit nato itong mga forma kagaya na sa atong mga transcendental functions. No? So kung naka 2x ni, so meaning na tayo forma nga u squared minus 1 daan. No? So, the derivative of 2x is 2 dx. Or, we rewrite it as 1/2 du is equal to dx. So, makasubstitute ta din hi og 1/2 du times 1 over square root of u squared minus 1. So, balikan na to. Integral of 1 over square root of 4x squared minus 1 dx is now equal to integral of 1 over square root of u squared. Since kining 2x squared, diba kung i-factor natin na siya 2x times 2x na siya, or 2x squared. So, we have u squared. So, u squared minus 1 times the value of dx, which is 1/2 du. So, it's now equal to 1/2 cos inverse of cos u plus c. Okay, so naa natin nato ni nga forma. Wait lang, balikan daw nato to ato ang inverse. So, kini ato ang inverse hyperbolic nga forma, no? So, natay forma dadto nga u squared minus 1, no? Na kini man atong forma u squared minus 1. So that is in our example number 1. So our answer, kini mao man ang forma natong natin, no? 1 over square root of u squared minus 1. So, which is equal to 1/2 cos inverse cos u plus c. So, where u is 2x, so our final answer is 1/2 inverse cos 2x plus c. So, balikan lang nato ang mga general solution or ang integral na equivalent atong mga transcendental functions nato. So, dapat nakasulat gyud ta adto, no, na gyud tay summary adto nga mga properties. So, for our example number 10, we have integral of 1 over 3x times square root of 1 minus 9x squared dx. So, for our solution, we let u be equal to 3x. Then the derivative of 3x is now 3 dx, or our du is equal to 3 dx. Or, we have 1/3 du is equal to dx kung atong i-reciprocate, no, ang 3. So, we have 1/3 du is equal to dx. Now, our neutralizing factor is 1/3. So, the integral of 1 over 3x square root of 1 minus 9x squared dx, natay mapurma nga magamitan nato atong hyperbolic, inverse hyperbolic. No? So, we have integral of 1/3, since 1/3 du, times 1 over u square root of 1 minus u squared. So, balikan na nato bi ang ato ang inverse hyperbolic kagayina. So, naatay integral of du over u squared of 1 minus u squared is equal to negative sec h, and inverse of negative sec h, absolute value of u plus c. So, mao na ang ato ang answer. So, negative, wala na butang negative, sorry class. So, naay negative, no, dinhi sa ato ang inverse na negative sec h. So, atong butang negative. So, our final answer is negative 1/3 sec inverse of sec h, absolute value of 3x plus c. So, that is our final answer. So, for example number 11, evaluate. Wait lang, nauna man ang gawas. So, for example number 11, nanata atong inverse trigo. So, we are required to find the integral of 1 over square root of 1 minus 4x squared dx. So, we have a radical sign here. So, must be arc sign or arc secant. So, mao na kung gingon ka ganina nga mag-elimination na ka. So, wala man siya variable din siya kilid. So, meaning, fixed na ta nga arc sign ni siya. So, this must be arc sign. So, for our solution, we let u be equal to 2x. And the derivative of 2x is 2 dx. Or, we transpose, reciprocate it again. So, we have 1/2 du is equal to dx. So, kini, ma-visualize na nato nga naa na tayo 1 minus u squared dinhi. So, the integral of 1 over square root of 1 minus 4x squared dx is now equal to 1 integral of 1 over square root of 1 minus u squared times 1/2 du. Okay, so i-rewrite na to siya. Pagawas na to si 1/2. So, we have 1/2 integral of 1 over square root of 1 minus u squared du. So, ang kini siya, kato pa itong pag-eliminate pa lang kaganina. So, arc sine siya. So, 1/2 arc sine u plus c. Then, where u is 2x, so our final answer is 1/2 arc sine 2x plus c. So for our example number 12, our last example, evaluate the integral of 12 over 1 minus 9x squared dx. So, sa pagtanaw pa lang nato sa yaha, wala siya radical sign. Right? So, it must be arctan. So, we let u be equal to 3x du. So, i-derive na to sa 3x. So, the answer is 3 dx. Or, we rewrite it as 1/3 du is equal to dx. So, integral of 12 over 1 plus 9x squared dx is equal to 12, ipagawa sa coefficient. Integral of 1 over, ang atong forma nga nabuhat, 3x. Kaya factor na to si 9x squared will be 3x times 3x or 3x squared. So, 12 integral of 1 over 1 plus u squared times 1/3 du. Okay? So, now we have 12 divided by 3 or 12/3 integral of 1 over 1 plus u squared du. So we have 4 arctan u. So ato lang yung dumdumon nga forma. Pagtanaw na to nga walay radical sign, so arctan siya. So 4 arctan u plus c, where u is equal to 3x. So our final answer now is 4 arctan 3x plus c. So that's all for the other transcendental functions. I hope you learned something in these videos. So, nanasad tayo activity, which is our activity number 5. So, evaluate the following indefinite integrals. So, thank you for listening and sparing your time with me. Bye-bye.